Hey guys, it's Kelly. Today I'm going to show you a quick flip through of my October album. I love October and I had so much fun documenting it. So I used an old book this time and removed the pages, but not by tearing them out, just by cutting them short and then using the little 1 inch that was left to add my own pages. Also, I don't document every day in October. I just do it by event. So if there's something worth documenting, I put it in, and it gives you a pretty good overview of what our October looks like. I also want to mention that I used a lot of my own printables that I had made for my shop for keepskits.com. So it was really fun to be able to use my own designs, and I used a lot of crepe paper as well.
1 year older seems a little colder than before. One step